a land where time seems to move differently, where the morning mist rests softly upon the mountains and forests whisper through the wind. Here, nature still breathes freely. Deep valleys, ancient villages, roads that wander through endless hills. And everywhere there is beauty, not loud, not hurried, but quiet and timeless. In the early morning, church bells echo across the countryside, while sunlight slowly touches the rooftops of old homes. Shepherds walk the hills, horses move through the fields, and rivers carry the silence of the mountains. The shepherd always searches for the lost sheep, not with anger, but with love. Through valleys, through darkness, through the silence, he keeps calling, because no sheep is forgotten, no heart is too far away. And when he finds you, he carries you home, close to his heart. Romania feels untouched in places, as if the earth still remembers a slower way of living. The Carpathian Mountains rise with strength and mystery. Forests stretch endlessly, filled with life, with stories, with wonder. And when winter comes, snow covers the villages like a gentle blanket. Fires burn inside old homes. Families gather close, and warmth becomes something sacred.
Ce faci?
Ce facem? Poză.
Olanda.
Olanda? Ambience?
Da.
Foarte bine.
Foarte.
Mă bucur. Noroc. Ace.
Peter. Peter.
Dacă... Aș vrea. Să mea de tot. Mi-am reușit acele. Eu n-am vândut. Brânză sau lapte?
Holland praten Hollands.
Brânză? De la vacă.
Palenka.
Pălincă? Hai, bonus pălincă.
man. Nee. Angus. Dus dat is goed vlees. Angus. Dat moet zijn ook allemaal weer gemerkt, hè.
Ai văzut? Uite aici în crestături. Da. Tot el pușteal. Topor. Bă, leu. Micu mic. E numai cățel, joacă-te. 6 luni.
But the true beauty of Romania is not only found in the landscapes, it is found in the people, in simple kindness, in open doors, in hands that still know how to give. There is a depth here, a quiet resilience shaped by history, by hardship, by faith. In small villages, you still find people who live with little, yet share what they have. And somehow, among the simplicity, there is peace. A reminder that beauty is not always found in wealth or noise, but often in simplicity, in stillness, in the human heart. Romania, a place of mountains and silence, of history and hope. A land where beauty still lives in nature, in people, and in the quiet moments the world too often forgets to see.
Moet je kijken, man.
Sace cu mâncare la...
Voer allemaal, joh. Ja, mooi.
Da. Acolo e doamna cu aia e căsuță.
creation itself whispers that God is near.